With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, so now we are going to see this question that can you hear the sound produced due to the vibration of the seconds pendulum, and we have to give the reason for it. Okay, so what we have to do is, can we hear the sound? Obviously we cannot hear the sound. We cannot hear the sound of the seconds pendulum. Okay, of the seconds pendulum. Okay, and why is it so? We have to give the reason for it. So the reason is that the seconds pendulum has a very low frequency. Okay, seconds pendulum has a low frequency. And low means it's very, very low. Okay, very, very low. The frequency of seconds pendulum is 0.5 hertz. Okay, and normal human ear can hear from sounds of from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, right? So this 0.5 hertz is very less than the minimum sound range of the which is 20 hertz. So this is why the seconds pendulum's vibration are not heard by the human ear. Okay, so what will be the reason for it? So the reason is that the seconds pendulum has a very low frequency 0.5 hertz. Okay, 0.5 hertz, and so the human ear cannot hear it, as the sound range of human ear is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So we'll write it is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, which we wrote it over here also. So this is our answer of the second part, and this is our answer of the first part. Okay, got it? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.